Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about project base point, locations, coordinates, acquire coordinates, publish coordinates, and why we need those kind of things. And while creating a new Revit model from architecture, from MAP, how we can share the coordinates with each other, that we'll discuss in this video thoroughly. So right now I'll open a new project as architecture template, so that we'll start from scratch only, and we'll see that how it will work. So for this one I have opened a fresh Revit template, architecture template, and in this one we'll create some architecture things, and we'll link that one in MEP, and how it will work we'll see that one. So right now I'll create some boundaries for this one. So I'll create some walls right here, and I'll give the top limit of these walls till level 2, not more than that. Now I'll create the floor as well, architecture floor for this one, and I'll create by boundary lines. So I'll give the boundary for the floor. Now I'll go with the roof as well. So yeah, that's fine till level 2, and again I'll go with the boundary line. That will be in slope. It will be like hut, if you see in some places like this one. So we have given this roof. Let me see how it'll look like. So let's go on with the shaded mode. Why it's not coming? Because the discipline is plumbing right now. So we'll change to coordination so that we can see the good shape of this one. So we have done that thing, but that's not our point. Our point is the project base point. So for now I will give the ceiling as well for this one. Okay, our work is done for now for this one. Now we'll go for project base point so that we can assign some coordinates with it. So I'll turn on the project base point. Okay, now randomly I'll give some random values, 26 something, and then east I'll give an elevation 1000, angle I'll give 15 maybe. Yeah. Now if I'll zoom to fit, it's showing straight, but I have given the 15-degree angle, right? So why it is so? First of all, we'll cross check the values, those are correct. But why it's showing straight? Because right here, if you'll see in the orientation, it's project north. The project north means that will always be straight, kind of. There will not be any impact on the project north if we are not changing the orientation of that one. But the true north will always be at the upper direction. Okay, so if I'll change the real true north angle that we have given to this one, so the true north is at this direction, but the project north is at this direction, and the angle between these two is 15-degree that we already given. So that's how it will work. So now if I'll save this work as check me as, yeah, sure. So if I'll save this one as architecture model, okay, I have given the coordinates with this one. Now the file is ready from architectures, and if we are MEP guy, so how we can proceed from scratch, and we'll share the coordinates, all those kind of things. So for MEP as well, I'll create a new project as MEP. So I'll go right here, I'll select default MEP template that we have. So I'm selecting right here system default metric, and this one we can proceed with all MEP, like mechanical, electrical and plumbing combined in a single template. So that's why I just chose this one. So right now I'm in mechanical view. Right here I'll firstly turn on the project base point. So I'll turn the site, and and then I'll turn on the project as point. Right now if I'll select this one, the values are 0 0 0 and there's not any kind of value given. And I'll create a duct so that we can link this model in another one and we can go through with it properly. So I've created the duct right here. Now if I'll select this one, I can see the properties right here, but that's not the point. So right now what I'll do, I'll save this model without giving any kind of values right here. And in this case, if I link the architecture model that I already saved, okay, I'll tell you there are two ways of doing that one. So first one, if I'll go, if I did not shared the coordinate with the other model, then first step will always be that we will link the main file by auto origin to origin or internal origin to origin. That will be like that. So I'll go with the location that I have in this one, projects architecture models right there. If I link right now by this one, open origin to origin, it will come at the default position, that is Revit's default right here. But suppose my model should be like the architecture link should be at this corner, my duct will be shown. So what I'll do at that case, okay, first of all I'll tell you that I have started, there are two ways of sharing the coordinates. So first of all, I have linked the architecture model in which we have proper coordinates, and will proceed that how we can acquire the coordinates in our main MEP model in which we do not have the coordinates right now. So for acquiring the coordinates, we need to make sure that the actual model in which we have the coordinates that will be linked in this model, and that should be by auto origin to origin, and after that we'll move the linked model which has the accurate coordinates. We'll click on that, we'll move it at that location where we need to show the model it should be. So I want that duct should be right there, and the link always, when I'll click on by shared coordinate, it should be right there only. So I'll set my position where I want the architecture model it should be. So after that, what I'll do, I'll click on manage tab right there. I'll click on this icon and there is acquire coordinates. I'll tell about the published coordinates as well, but right now this process is about the acquire coordinate system. So I'll click on acquire coordinate system, I'll click on the architecture model. That's done. Just cross check once. If I'll click on this coordinates, acquire coordinates, it will show that it's automatically acquired. So that's done for us for this one. So if I'll remove this one, architecture link, remove, okay, and okay. Now if I'll link that architecture model again by shared coordinate, it will come at the actual location where it should be, where we have given the position to it. Click on that by shared coordinates. Okay, now it has come right there. Even the angle also will be the same. If I'll turn on the true north, it will be at the same location. So that is how we can acquire the coordinate system. But what if, okay, I'll not save this project, I'll just remove this one. Okay, let me check, it should be 0 0. Okay, I'll make it 0 0 0, so that 0 and it should be 0. Sorry, yeah. So now I already removed all those kind of things. Now it's at the same location. So how we'll publish the coordinate system, that we'll see. For publishing the coordinate system, we need to make sure that our main model will have the coordinate system and will link in which we want to share the coordinate system. So for this model I want to share, so what I'll do, I'll save this model first of all as MEP model, save it, and I need to close this one for publishing the coordinate system. Why? Because I'm changing the position of this model, so Revit will say to close the model first. So I'll close this one for now, and then I'll come to our actual model right here, in which we have the actual coordinates, and I'll link the MEP model in this one by auto origin to origin. So yeah, that's linked. But right now, if I'll see, I cannot see that one. Why? Because the discipline I can see architecturals right here. So I'll convert to coordination so that we can see all the services right there. If it is not showing, it means the view range we need to check. Oh yeah, it should be 4000 because level 2 is at 4000. Yeah, now we can see it should be fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we should not go with the sorry. So if I click on the link, I can see it should, first of all we'll go with the project node so that we can see the straight view of this one. So if I click on this one, I want this one to be right here. So what I can do, I'll move the link from right here to right there. I'm just moving, I'm just giving a thorough view that how it will work. So wherever we want, I'll move my link right there only, and I'll click on manage coordinates. I'll click on publish coordinates, then I'll select that particular link, and then this kind of power will come. There are different sites should be right there, but if we do not created the sites, so we do not need to worry about that one. We can directly click on OK. I'll talk about the sites in my next video, so just ignore it for now. So I'll click on then OK. It's done for now, but not fully. So what I'll do, I'll go in manage links, click on MEP model, and click on save positions right there. I click on save because I want to save the new position that I have given to my link. So I'll click on save. It is saved. I click on OK. Now if I'll open the MEP model right here, because there was one more MEP model, so I don't want to be confused with that one. So I'll click on MEP, open. So now if I'll link that architecture directly by shared coordinate, then we'll see that how it will work. Should be by shared coordinate. Yeah, it's at the correct location. If I'll go with the true north as well, it's perfectly aligned. So that's how we can share the coordinates and by acquiring the coordinates or by publishing the coordinates in both the ways, in MEP and in architecture as well. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.